Hi. Say hi, Destiny. This is my best friend. She says hi. Dylan. Say hi. This is my best friend. Say hi. Say the word hi.
No.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Good job. Can we go, Coach?
What time is it?
I don't know.
23.
Oh, dang. We can't go yet, can we? Yeah, but there's people in the hallway, so we should go.
We have to walk like an
Ethan, say hi. Cute smile. Philip, say hi. Good job. Micah, say hi.
Hi.
Micah's not very excited to say hi. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. I'm having a good eyelash day, guys. Not a good rest of my body.